Stunningly realistic horse using only basic tools. In this video, you'll learn how to sketch a lifelike horse using simple tools like pencils and erasers. To sketching horses, it's easy to get bogged down in the details, from the way their muscles ripple beneath their coats to the subtle play of light on their fur. But with practice and patience, anyone can master the art of horse sketching. The key is to focus on the basics and build from there. Studying the proportions and bone structure of horses, you can gain a deeper understanding of their movements and behavior. This knowledge can help you create more realistic and dynamic sketches that capture the essence of these magnificent creatures. When drawing horses, it's essential to get the proportions right. A horse's body is roughly divided into thirds, with the head, neck, and body forming distinct sections. The legs, too, have a specific proportion and angle that can make or break the overall look of the sketch. By paying attention to these details, you can create a more realistic and balanced horse sketch. Soft, fluffy texture of a horse's coat to the gleam in their eye, it's all about capturing the subtleties that bring your sketch to life. We'll explore essential techniques for proportion, shading, and texture to bring your horse to life on paper. One of the most crucial aspects of horse sketching is capturing their fluid movement and energy. Whether your horse is galloping, trotting, or standing still, their body language and posture can convey a range of emotions and moods. By studying the way horses move and interact with their surroundings, you can create a more dynamic and engaging sketch. Shading is another critical component of horse sketching. By using a range of pencils and techniques, you can create depth, dimension, and volume in your drawing. From the soft, gentle shading on a horse's face to the bold, dramatic shadows on their body, it's all about capturing the play of light on their coat. By experimenting with different shading techniques, you can add texture, movement, and energy to your sketch. It's all about capturing the subtleties that bring your sketch to life. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please check out my other videos and let me